CoConstruct is the perfect solution for both small and large construction teams, and here's why you need to stick around to the end to see just how it can revolutionize your workflow. Whether you're a small crew looking for simplicity or a large team needing more powerful management tools, CoConstruct has features tailored to meet all your needs. First off, CoConstruct streamlines project management with a single platform that lets you handle everything from estimates to invoicing. Small teams benefit from the straightforward setup and easy-to-use interface, while larger teams can take advantage of its customizable features that help streamline collaboration across departments. Next thing, the software's budgeting tools are a game changer for both types of teams. Small construction teams can set up budgets quickly and accurately, while larger teams can dive deep into cost tracking and project forecasting, ensuring that every dollar is spent wisely. The third thing that makes CoConstruct perfect for both small and large teams is its client management features. For small teams, keeping clients in the loop is as simple as sending a quick update. For larger teams, CoConstruct lets you customize client portals, share real-time project progress, and manage multiple clients at once, all in one place. Now, let's talk about communication. With CoConstruct, everyone, no matter the team size, can stay on the same page. Small teams can quickly chat and assign tasks, while larger teams can take advantage of automated notifications, ensuring that no one misses a critical update. It's a huge time saver for project managers and leads. The next benefit is CoConstruct's integration capabilities. Small teams can connect with their accounting software and other tools without hassle, while large teams will appreciate the ability to integrate with complex systems and pull data from multiple sources in real time. Another important factor is the mobile app. CoConstruct's mobile app ensures that your team can access all project details from anywhere. For smaller teams, this means staying productive on site, while larger teams can coordinate and track everything from the office to the job site, no matter where they are. Finally, what sets CoConstruct apart is its customer support. Whether you're a small team or a large one, CoConstruct offers top-notch customer service, making sure you have the help you need when you need it. Before we wrap up, don't forget there's a link below where you can try CoConstruct completely free, plus we have some exclusive bonuses available that you won't find anywhere else. In conclusion, whether you're a small crew or a large organization, CoConstruct's combination of simplicity and advanced features makes it the perfect choice for your construction management needs. And remember, we have an extended free trial available just for you. Click the link below to get started today.